Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where we break down the gear that creators, streamers, and tech lovers actually need. Today we're looking at one of the most exciting beginner to intermediate mirrorless cameras in 2025, the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera, bundled with the RFS 18 to 45mm STM lens, extra batteries, dual SD cards, and everything you need to start shooting right out of the box. Let's get straight to the camera. The Canon EOS R50 is compact, lightweight, and packed with advanced features designed for creators on the go. It features a 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor paired with Canon's Digic X processor, which gives you high-resolution stills and incredibly clean video output even in low light. And yes, this camera shoots 4K at 30 FPS with no crop. That means wide-angle vlogs, cinematic B-roll, and professional quality YouTube content with zero compromise. Autofocus is where the R50 really shines thanks to dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with subject tracking. It's super fast and sticky. Whether you're tracking faces, animals, or objects, it stays locked with incredible precision. The included RFS 18 to 45mm f4.5 to 6.3 IS STM lens is a great everyday zoom for both video and still photography. It's lightweight, quiet, and offers built-in image stabilization, a huge help for handheld shooting and vlogging. The real value here, it's the full bundle. You get 2 extra batteries so you never run dry on shoots, dual 64GB SD cards to keep your footage flowing, a Deco Gear padded photography bag for safe transport, and a full accessories kit including lens cloth, tripod, and cleaning gear. Everything you need to shoot, edit, and post all in one box. Connectivity is also top tier. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, the R50 makes it easy to transfer files to your smartphone or control the camera remotely via Canon's mobile app. The fully articulating touchscreen makes self-shooting and overhead shots a breeze. So who is this for? If you're a YouTuber, vlogger, TikTok creator, or someone ready to level up from your smartphone, the Canon EOS R50 is the perfect step forward. It's easy to use, beautifully designed, and ready for anything. Check the link in the description to grab the complete bundle today, and don't forget to like, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss your next gear upgrade. See you in the next review.